in order to create purchase invoices, click on create voucher, then select purchase. For normal credit purchase, you can create supplier name in the address book, then you can choose, then enter the information. If you want to enter inventory wise, just enter inventory details here. So if you are a service provider, no need to mention any inventory. Just click on add ledger row, then you can choose purchase. And if it is a credit customer, you can enter the creditor name. If it's a cash, like you are paying from petty cash, you have multiple purchase and expenses all together. You want to enter in the system for getting a VAT report. Just select the petty cash name. Then one by one you can insert the invoices total. Maybe you have a purchase invoice for 1000, so it will come with VAT 1150. So in the description you can put the reference description, or you can put in the comments the reference invoice number. And you can have multiple rows. If it is some expense, you can add the, you can select the expense ledger. Maybe some expenses without tax, so you can make it without tax. For example, it's a gasoline invoice or any expense. Just if it is without VAT, just put 0. Like this you can enter. If any service without VAT, you can put 0. If with tax, you put 15. So here in the description you can put the voucher number. So all this are separate invoices. This one invoice, this one another purchase or expense. So this is paid from petty cash. We mentioned here the petty cash account. So it will come like this. You will find the details here, which voucher number and other details, the total taxable amount, tax rate, amount. So this thing will reflect in the tax VAT report. If you go home, take reports, tax report. So this information, we did not change the date. So if you choose a range of date, it will show you here. Tax report. You will find the total tax amount 180, because we mentioned two vouchers with the tax 150 and 30. This is appearing here, 180. So you don't need to mention all the invoice details, like you have small expenses, purchases, like you have some service you purchase. So just you can mention the voucher number here, and you must have this reference voucher with you. So anytime any auditor ask, you can produce the invoice, purchase invoice. If it is inventory wise, you have to do like this. Cash or credit, whatever you choose. Then the payment method, either cash or credit. Okay, credit, if it is cash, you have to choose what, bank or cash or whatever. Then here you have to choose the item. Like this, if you do like this, it will come to your inventory. So if we add 100 piece cutting disc, it will come to our inventory, and at the same time it will create the purchase invoice, whole purchase invoice. So if it is not by inventory, you can simply do by ledger row. Add ledger row, type the ledger name, any ledger like purchase or anything. By default, purchase is there. So if you have any other ledger, any expense ledger under indirect expense or direct expense group, that will be listed here. So you can choose that ledger and type the bill number or anything, reference number, quantity and rate.